Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here with a review on this brand new 2018 Chevy Colorado Black Widow Edition. We just got this truck yesterday, came off the truck. We sent it off to SCA Performance out of Alabama and they customized this truck into a Black Widow. So if you don't know anything about SCA Performance, they customize trucks and have a couple different lines, and their Black Widow Edition is their high-end line. And all the accessories and everything on the truck come with the same 3-year 36 bumper to bumper warranty as the manufacturer. Let's take a look at this vehicle in a little bit more detail. All right, here's a look at the front of the vehicle. It's got a high clearance front bumper that has been custom painted to match the exterior of this truck. This is rolled steel. It's not plastic or aluminum or anything like that. And then all the lighting that's done on it is all rigid lighting for the fog lights, and then the 20-inch light bar in the middle. So if you're into accessorizing vehicles, you know that Rigid is one of the top lighting companies out there. It's got a 5.5-inch suspension lift, custom designed for SCA Performance. And then also all the exterior badging and everything has been custom painted to match the exterior of the vehicle. And then walking around to the side, we got the custom fender flares there. They are not some pre-made stuff. These are made exclusively from SCA Performance. And then we got the 33-inch Toyo tires with the 18-inch custom rims made exclusively for SCA Performance. And then we have all of our Black Widow badging, which is a high-end badging. It's not a decal or anything like that. It's just like the factory badging. We got the full black step bars that go the full length of the doors for the vehicle as well. And then we got tinted windows. They always tint the front windows. And as we kind of go around the back, we got the bow tie in the back's been painted as well. The badging's been changed. So you got the SCA Performance down there. So these trucks are exclusively done by SCA Performance in Alabama. They're a top-notch company. That's why we went with them. We are an exclusive dealer for SCA Performance. We're an exclusive St. Louis dealer. So this is the only place you can get a Black Widow truck in the St. Louis area. And then it's got the black. I know it's a little dirty. We had a little bit of rain earlier, so but it's got a black tip, exhaust tip on it as well. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, here's a look at the inside. It's got power windows, power locks, and then leather interior. The vehicle had cloth before, and we had them custom put leather, and then you got the custom stitching of the Black Widow emblem as well. And then the driver's seat is power, and then you also have heated seats now on both the driver and the passenger seat as well. The rest of the interior is still stock as a stock Colorado. And then here's a look in the back. Of course, we did the leather in the back as well. And then it's got a rear sliding window. Of course, it's in great shape. 3-year 36 bumper to bumper warranty, along with our lifetime powertrain warranty on top of it through Deien Chevrolet. All right, so once again, this is Chevy Dave here with a look on the brand new 2018 Chevy Colorado Black Widow Edition. If you're interested in this vehicle, feel free to message me and I can go over more details on it. This vehicle is exclusive to Deien Chevrolet in the St. Louis market. So we are the exclusive SCA Performance dealer in the St. Louis area. So we're the only place you can get a Black Widow truck here in the St. Louis area. So if you're interested in this, feel free to message me. My contact information is below in the description of this video. And then if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It should be right over here somewhere. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or anything like that. Also, subscribe to me to all my social media sites, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, everything. I do lots of contests and stuff like that. You don't want to miss out on that. So once again, this is Chevy Dave here at Deien Chevrolet. We're about 40 miles east of St. Louis in the Metro East area. We are the exclusive SCA Performance dealer in the St. Louis area. We carry the Black Widow trucks. We also have a Silverado as well on my page. You can take a look at that. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for checking out this video. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of the video on this truck. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Come see me, Chevy Dave, here at Deien Chevrolet, where I make car buying great again. Thank you.